Are you lost?
No, this is it.
All right.
Good morning. Where that post box is, we're parking there.
All right. Hey up, brand new permission. It's only one tiny field, this one, but he's given us the name of the landowner for the rest of the stuff, so we'll go see him later. First hole, what have you got? It might be George. Yes, it's George. Yeah. Ooh. Good start, mate.
1-0.
This morning he offered me the chance to come detecting with him, and I thought we were going to be going down some tunnels he was telling me about.
We are after this.
But he said to me he found these tunnels, and the tunnels were a labyrinth of tunnels underneath an entire village which runs also underneath his house. It belonged to a cult, but no one ever saw them go or there or back because they went through the tunnels. He found the tunnel entrance, and that's where we're going to go to explore it, and it's dark and creepy. Hey, we could do a Halloween video in the tunnels.
Yeah.
I suppose I better have a swing now, hadn't I?
Better have a swing.
Right. Hey, this one sounds nice. It's not the best quality tone. I just marked that because I'll come back to that because Paul's going to ask me something. What do you keep finding loads of?
Finding loads of these. Just wondered if you can enlighten me what they are.
Tarpaulin rings.
Tarpaulin rings.
Yeah. Well, that was an easy one.
They're valuable.
Yeah. Just a lump of steel. Look at that. Are you back again?
But there's a pattern on there.
Oh, yeah. Let me just have a look at that. I instantly think I know what that is. He's got 40 pence from that hole in an intaglio stone. Good man. I'll find nothing yet.
I've got about 20 coins.
Have you? Yeah. That was a big coin spill.
Yeah, recently.
They're all moderns. Hee, I've got a penny out of the hole, and it's 1907, Edward the 7th, and he's complaining I've stolen his line again. I haven't stolen your line. I suppose if I stole your line, that's really your coin then. Now look, I couldn't find it anywhere. It's not in the plug, it's not in the hole, and after a couple of minutes I realised, look. Oh, it's a coin. But I want to tell you a story now, which I know I've told before. It's the guy who found the gold coin, and he found it on the surface, right next to a hole that had just been dug and filled in. Right on the top, flat on, next to the hole. How could anybody have missed that? The soil was sticky, and we believe the gold coin was stuck to the back of his spade, because beside the coin there was a spade slit where it had been shoved in the ground. So we think as he filled his hole in, he jammed his spade in the ground, pushed the soil in with his boot, the coin fell off, and he walked away, leaving a gold coin on the top. Pity it's not a gun. Right, we've done it. We've only gone and got ourselves a joint permission, and it's a monster. So we're just going to have a scan. The field's go on for miles, don't you, mate?
Oh, yeah.
Miles.
Yeah.
But it was easy, you know, all you got to do is ask. Some people are just afraid of asking, aren't they? Because the Roman road finishes to my right, doesn't it, where that Roman bridge is?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Steve, you're going to like these fields.
Why?
Look at that.
What?
Okay, it's the climb.
Oh! Yeah! That's brilliant! They're all interlocked. Right, oh fantastic. Oh, you're off again already? Okay. Let me get my machine turned on. What have you got? A buckle. Not bad for first signal. I've got a Vicky halfpenny, 1860. Where are you? look.
Oh yeah.
Can you see that coin impression? So, it's going to be, here it is. Oh, that one's knackered. Oh, clock clasp.
Right.
Good job. Oh, this feels producing, isn't it?
Yeah. My hole versus your hole.
Right.
May the best man win.
May the best a-hole win.
Well, I've got a big nut.
A big knob?
A big nut.
Oh,
Big nuts.
I got a big ring.
Huh? There you go. There you go.
See? Well, actually, I win because I had a hole. You didn't. Yours fills the hole. See?
How do you work that out?
Well, that's a hole.
They're both shite.
Yeah, but it's in the best hole wins, and that's a hole. You haven't got a hole.
No, but the best find wins.
What?
I just want to show you what this. See these here? What you do with this, right? Pull it. See this thing here that's always in your way?
Oh, the gate opens.
It opens up.
I'm always climbing over gates.
I know. I'm thinking about you and your health.
Yeah. Well, we're calling it a day. I'll do a summary a bit later on.
No, you can do a summary now. I won.
Oh, okay. I've got to check out your tunnel soon.
Yeah.
Well, we're having a summary. I didn't get much. I've got lots of rubbish.
Well, summary's pretty straightforward. The macro's better than.
Your macro just farts all the time. All this, it sounds the same, good or bad signal.
Yeah, but look at that.
Well, you dig every hole, that's why.
What?
You dig every hole.
Yeah, but how many coins? So how many coins?
Yeah, but how
Oh,
many,
I might have got more crap.
yeah, but how deep are your holes? You go about
Have
3
you found
foot
glass?
deep. No, that is a nice piece. We're fairly sure that's a piece of intaglio from a ring. Lots of modern coinage. I thought you kept saying to me 20p, 20p, 20p. There's only one.
2, 3.
Oh, 3. And that's all I got. George III, Vicky, Edward, and
Who's got oldest then?
I don't know what that one is.
That's 1890.
Oh, that one's 1860.
Well, alright.
1860.
Well, we won't go in on that, will we?
Paul got this permission, which is a tiny weeny one single field, from somebody who knew somebody who knew somebody. So he came here today, and then we saw the farmer next door, and we've got God knows how many 100 acres out of it. Is that it? Are we going?
That's it, yeah. Who won?
I don't know, we'll let him decide. Who won? You vote now. Don't vote for him. Vote now. We haven't got any cake.
Huh?
We haven't got any cake.
Oh well.
Never mind, in your cake hole.
We're not on a diet.
Catch you next time.